Learn the secret of the rich. If you are you sick of paying taxes, I have the solution for you. The Business Spendthrift Trust can save you federal and state income taxes legally. It's in the IRS tax code 643B. Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm known as a tax saving champion. On April 4th of 2020, my CPA called to say congratulations. I had made so much money in 2019, my personal taxes went from 22% to 24%, and all of a sudden I owed $94,000 in taxes. I only had $50,000 saved. This is COVID. I had nothing coming in. I went to bed that night crying. I woke up in the morning. A great book to read is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. I woke up the next morning knowing I was going to take out a HELOC on a paid-off townhouse and then research the Spendthrift Trust. I read an article about the Rockefellers Spendthrift Trust. It's called The Office. If the Rockefellers can save taxes, why can't Sally save taxes? It took me 5 months, but in September of 2020, I started both my business and beneficial spendthrift trusts. And now I want to teach others how they too can save taxes. The law firm I work on behalf of was started 78 years ago by a Harvard law professor. In 78 years, not a single trust has ever been audited. Now his grandson and great-grandson run the law firm. And when you become a private client, you receive a certification saying if you get questioned by the IRS, you'll be defended free of charge. In 78 years, that's happened only one time only. My example today is a Arizona real estate agent. Her husband is a W-2 income earner. Together in 2025, they were at 24% tax bracket. Taking her business out of their 1040 tax return, he will still file a 1040 tax return for his W-2 income taxes. It drops down to 22%. Adding all this together, in all of 2026, they're going to save $49,191. Or per month, if this is June 1st, so per month in June, they would save $4,089. In July, they would save $4,089. In August, $4,089, and so on. Then they'll continue to save taxes in 2027, 2028, and leave a legacy for future generations. It's going to keep their information completely private. I can't stop them from being sued, but all lawsuits become frivolous, and they're still too young. But if you're over 65 and on Medicare, it stops the IRMA surcharge on Parts B and D. She had seen a TikTok video. She's like, how much can you save us? When she found out that they were going to save $4,089 a month that they're currently paying, she's just like, we can set up college funds for our 2 children. I'm like, yes, you can. If you want to find out more, please set up a free 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me at www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling. I'm going to take you out to NerdWallet to show you the formula for federal taxes. Then I'm going to figure out what state you live in and how do you file taxes. Single, head of household, married separately, or married jointly. And then if you're in a state with state income taxes, we'll figure those out too. This is legal. It's in the IRS tax code 643B. You have nothing to lose but 30 minutes of your time to see how much you can be saving year after year, generation after generation. If you make at least $100,000 in 1099 income, I'm sorry, W-2 income earners, I can't help you, but Google says 35% of W-2 income earners have a side hustle. That was me for a year and a half. I worked as a Medicare broker in wholesale properties. It's the worst job in the world. When you tell a 65-year-old lady that part of her Social Security check is going to go towards Medicare and they start cursing like a sailor, you want to get out of there. But 35% of W-2 income earners have a side hustle. That's usually paid in 1099 income. So if you're a business owner, a franchisee owner, an entrepreneur, self-employed, or a professional, and making at least $100,000 a year, I guarantee you will save 5 figures in taxes. The more you save, the more you make, the more you'll save. Again, set up a free 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me at www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling. Have a wonderful week and save taxes. And I'm going to get out of this room because the lights keep going out. Yikes. Take care. Have a wonderful week and save taxes. And I'm going to get out of this room because the lights keep going out. Yikes. Take care.